Good. So it's Dentsply International.
Right. So we're looking for the order number.
Yep.
For the international order. We're going to process it right away.
Yep.
Before it's verification.
Control. It was Control F1 F1. Right.
It's Control 22.
Oh,
then
right.
Control 11.
Okay.
Then Shift F4, and then F3.
Okay.
That will have a label printing out.
But we will not use this label.
No. We'll use it to double check the address, but that's it. We also get the delivery note and a commercial invoice for Dentsply. Then we get our international form.
Am I correct in saying we don't use their commercial invoice?
No.
So the label and the commercial invoice are no good.
Yeah, they'll get tossed out.
Okay.
So I'll fill this form out.
2302 showing what inserts go in.
Mm-hmm.
What are you taking out?
The trace form. That gets taken out.
Which is
This form here.
it's the form number.
Form number 1621.
Okay.
Revision 11.
Coming right out.
Yep, it's coming right out. And
We'll document that.
Yep.
On that form, obviously, we're going to put the donor number and that sales order number.
Yeah. And then we're replacing that form with this one, Form 2267, revision 4.
Okay. And we'll document that on what you're putting in. You'll NA all the rest of the sections?
right.
Correct.
All right.
Okay.
So this gets put in here with this.
All old inserts get shredded. Correct?
I've just been tossing them out.
Yep.
Okay. I'll fill out that form.
Oh, where did you put the other insert somewhere else?
No,
The one that you pulled out.
the one I pulled out.
Oh, you just threw it away. Okay, good.
Is this
I just want to make sure it was off
It's getting thrown
Okay,
out.
good.
Let's skip that for right now. For the
So now we're going to go into the FedEx system.
Right. So recipient ID, you'll find it here, as well as here, as well as here.
It may or may not have been saved in there, correct?
This, yeah, it may or may not have been saved. This one has been saved.
Okay, if it wasn't saved, you'll just manually put all the information in to Canada. Okay.
That's right. So Dr. Max Neiman, Dawson Dental, Barry,
Just verify the information.
165 Wellington, West Unit 1B. All right. All right, this checks out. We just have one package. Since we're only sending one unit,
One pound.
one unit, 1 pound. It will always be international priority. The service type will always be international priority. Department notes will always be shipping. Customer reference will always be the order number. You can find it here.
Correct. The order number is right on the order.
Okay. Then we go here to commodities. Commodity ID. This is saved, so it'll always be freeze-dried human tissue.
Non-infected. Correct.
And this will
Pre-fill.
Pre-fill. Quantity 1.
If it was multiple, that's where you would put it?
Yeah, if we have more than one unit, this is where we change that.
Okay.
On the commercial invoice, you'll see the value for the custom purposes, and we add that here.
Okay.
174.25 in this case. 174.25. 1 pound. We always answer no to this question.
Okay.
Under customs, we just double check, make sure the insert signature image is checked off.
That always checked. Okay.
And we hit ship. Our label will print there, and our new commercial invoice will print over here. We can throw this one out.
Okay. Along with the label, obviously.
Yep, the label goes.
And can you show me how to delete it out of, and then you have to delete that label from, not Lawson, is it Lawson? No.
Centiro
is
the web-based program that we,
we use
for shipping.
Yeah. It's like an interface between like a FedEx system and
Lawson.
Lawson, yep.
So, visibility, we want to search the shipments. The shipper is us at NTF. From date will always be today's date. So it'll be the 8th. It'll have the date for tomorrow. But we'll run a search.
And this will be all yours from today, obviously.
Yeah, everything that's been shipped through Lawson will be here on this list in Sentiero.
Okay.
That includes these first 2 here, which are the Canadian orders. So Action will set this to delete. And then click these and delete that. And boom,
That's it.
that's all you need to do. And at the end of the day, when everything's done, you go to execution, shipment, end of day. All you do is run MTF, run the search. You're gonna select all,
Yep.
and then hit print selected, and that is it.
That runs your end of day.
That runs the end of day.
You'll do that every day.
Every day. Yep.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you very much.